Hello, this is Will Timpson with CAD Craftsman. I had a question from someone about our batch custom properties, and you can access this under the SD Tools tab, Batch Custom Properties. And the first thing I need to do is import the files to populate the data. I'm going to grab the file type and pull it up to use it as the sort function. Expand the plates. And I know that, and we can just click that to make it sort. I know that plate 2 is these particular base plates here. And I want to add a new field to them. So the first thing I'll do is grab this, pull it down, and I can use view component data to see all the data that is currently within that plate. You see it hasn't populated its grade yet, but that is plate 2. And this is a toggle, so I'll turn it off. Add a new field, and for this customer they wanted process, and for these plates that process is PlasCut. So I've selected the plates, and now I hit add. Now if I look at view component data, that process has been added with its value. And this can be used on any component that you need to. It's very handy for adding all kinds of different custom properties. And that's all it takes. Thank you.